Good day, Atomians! Gising pa ba ang lahat? Alright. Are you ready? Are you ready to earn passive income here in Atomy that can be passed on up to third generation? So, it is my honor and pleasure to present to you Atomy Philippines Marketing Plan. I am Diamond Master Ronnie H. Ercilio III from San Jose Cap Center. Atomy is making the network marketing history. Why? Because our chairman said, Atomy is not a company that uses people to make money, but it is a business to help people to succeed together. Do you agree? Okay. Let me introduce to you the well-balanced and righteous compensation plan that ensures everyone's success. Yes, tama po kayo, everyone's success. Not a few, not a selected, but all of us Atomians. We have a binary futures. Our first features in Atomy, we use binary system. Binary means two. We have the left leg and the right leg. Isang ulo, dalawang paa. So, sobrang dali lang po niyan. And the second features is, ang napakaganda, no registration fee. Yes, libre lang po. And, mas maganda pa, we don't have a monthly quota or monthly maintenance. And we have also, the third one, we have the unlimited accumulation of PV that we can enjoy because here in Atomy, anong sinasabi natin palagi, di ba? PV is life. Yes, tama po. Next, we have infinite levels that we can accumulate of downlines. So we can enjoy to register all of our friends, relatives, even strangers for free. Ibig sabihin po dito sa Atomy, kahit po 1 million yung kakilala mo, nasa 1 million level, nasa 1 billion level, you will still accumulate yung PV. Ganun po siya kaganda. We have infinite level. Ito po yung napakaganda dito sa Atomy. And also, dito sa Atomy, we use a global one marketing. If you are registered here in the Philippines, you are registered that ID globally. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? You can do Atomy business anywhere around the world na meron pong branch si Atomy that you can connect people under you. Like you can connect people from USA, Canada, Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, etc. Okay? Next is, ito pang isang napakaganda, no? We have the, what we call, income ceiling. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin po, when we become Imperial Master also, kung ano na po yung kinikita ng Imperial Master, yun din po yung kikitain natin. Ganun po siya kaganda. Pero dapat, huwag ka na magpapahuli. Dapat, ikaw yung first Imperial. Okay? Currently, we have 27 overseas branches around the world. As you can see, dito po napakaganda, no? If you are registered dito sa Atomy, para kang isang owner ng isang global shopping mall na kung saan pwede mong gawin yung business. Kahit saan ka makakakita ng business na katulad nito. Anywhere in the world, you can do a business without franchising. Diba? Libre lang nag-register ka. What you need to do is, do the Atomy system. Alright. And the question is, how to be a member? Ayan. To be a member in Atomy, you need a person of reference or a sponsor for you to be connected here in Atomy. Hindi po pwede yung direct po kayong magre-register by your own. Why? Because here in Atomy, we use networking. We need to be connected to one another para po yung sinasabi nating accumulation. Alright? Then next is The requirements. Ito po, no, napakaganda po. Nung nakita ko po yung bagong marketing plan, na-amaze po kasi ako kasi mas lalo pong pinadali. Wala nang brand na kailangan. If you want to be a consumer, you already need the details, the basic details, then you can register yung as discussed by Ma'am Misty po kanina. Yun po, be a consumer, yun po yung napakadaling registration. But syempre, if you are a business builder, you need these requirements. 18 and any valid ID with TIN card. And syempre, must be 18 years old and above po tayo. Yan. Bakit po? Laging tinatanong ng karamihan, why we need TIN? Because here in Atomy po, we receive commissions. We receive commissions, pero po, binabawasan po tayo ng tax. So nagbabayad po kami ng tax every time na makaka-receive kami ng aming commission. So here in Atomy, we earn in a legal way. Yan po yung napakaganda. Ayan, as discussed by Ma'am Misty a while ago, here are the two types of membership, the consumer and the distributor. The easy one is the consumer, basic information lang po yung kailangan po natin, and you can convert anytime in a distributor. Ganun po siya kaganda. Anytime. So, I will not more tackle about this kasi na-discuss na po ni Ma'am Misty a while ago. Then, next is, eto po, consumer. Habang gumagamit lang po tayo ng mga daily necessity products, sabi kasi ng friend ko, gagamit lang ako ng mga products. Okay, gumamit ka. But still, hindi mo po mamamalayan, magiging business member ka. Bakit? Kasi nga, while you are using the daily necessity products, you will earn here in Atomy. Ito lang po yung business na ganon. Meron pala. Si Atomy lang po. Yan. Dapat pinapalakpakan po yan. Ayan. Next is what we call the consumption. Here is consuming while earning. Okay? You just change your Atomy brands, you just change your X brands, your daily necessity brands into Atomy brands. Nagpalit ka lang po ng brand and you will earn your commission. From consumer to auto-consumer and to be a business member. Ganun po siya kaganda. Di ba po? Ano lang po ginawa nyo dito? Nagpalit ka lang ng brand. You change your coffee, you change your shampoo, your conditioner. Araw-araw po yun. Yun po yung ginagawa natin. Napakadali palang negosyo na ito si Atomy. Magpapalit lang ako ng brand Pero you will earn. Ganun po kaganda yan. Think about that. Yung brand po ba na ginagamit nyo ngayon, binabayaran ba kayo? No. Pero here in Atomy, Atomy is paying us in just using the products and sharing about the products. Ganun po kaganda and ganun kadali gawin ang business dito sa Atomy. Yes. So how? Ito po, yung PV. What is PV? The PV is the criteria for determining the conditions of commissions. Ito po yung magde-determine ng ating commission. As you can see, yung mga product po natin may corresponding point value equivalent. Ang napakaganda pa dyan sa nagustuhan ko, tignan nyo po yung absolute, it's 11,100. It's affordable. But, tignan nyo po yung points, 130,000 pesos, 130,000 PV. Kung makikita nyo, it's almost times 10 hanggang times 12. Ganun po yung point system ni Atomy. Kaya po, here in Atomy, you will accumulate PV fast. Kaya po napakadali lang kumita rito. We have a classification of membership. Ito po please remember this classification of membership because you will use this sa mga magcha-challenge. Because this is the one, the requirements, one of the requirements, pagka kayo na po ay magcha-challenge ng inyong mastership. We have the member to exclusive distributor. If you are a member, you need to have what? A minimum of 10,000 point value for you para you will accumulate points under you. Then agent, ang agent, what is agent? You need a 300,000 point value minimum. And special agent, 700,000 minimum, and dealer is 1.5, and the exclusive distributor or the ceiling is 2.4. Okay? Please remember that. We have 4 types of commission. First is the general commission, the mastership commission and mastership promotion, and the center commission. Yung general commission, ito po yung tinatawag na nating, yung sinasabi nilang na naririnig sa mga sponsor po ninyo na pairing, banggaan, 300, 700, grade 5, grade 6. Yan po yung general commission. So that's the other commission. And the mastership, yan na po yung pagka nagcha-challenge. Let's challenge. That's a 15 days challenge po. Okay? Sales challenge po yan. And the center commission, ito po yung center commission is purposely ginawa po yan to educate yung mga affiliated members doon sa center po na yon. Okay? Yan. Sa general commission cut-off po, it accumulates from Wednesday up to Tuesday. And the payout will be the following Tuesday. Kaya pag Tuesday, Happy Commission Day, Atomians. Alright? Baka mamaya, Tuesday, malungkot ka. Bakit? Walang commission. Dapat lagi kang masaya pag Tuesday, kaya make sure every Tuesday, naka-accumulate ka ng points and you will receive your commission. And that commission will be directly deposited in your bank account. It is PNB or a BDO bank account. Ayan. Ito po, please remember, yung 10,000 point value. Ito po yung pinaka-importante once you registered in Atomy, the 10,000 point value. Because your personal point value, the one that you purchase in your personal account, that determines your commission. If you have a 10,000 point value in your personal and you accumulate a group point value, ibig sabihin po, yung point value o yung mga bumili sa ilalim mo. Yung mga bumili ng Union of Consumers sa ilalim mo. If you accumulate 300,000 PV sa left and 300,000 PV sa right, and you have 10,000 point value, 5 points, you will receive a commission of 800 pesos. Okay na po ba yun? Okay na? Siyempre, kung housewife ka, okay na ang 800, okay? Diba? Nandun ka lang sa bahay, kumikita ka ng 800. Kasi yung commission po ni Atomy, pwedeng daily, weekly, monthly, it depends. Kaya dito po, paramihan lang din ng consumer and business partners. Alright. Kung gusto nyo pong mas mataas, gusto nyo po mas mataas? Siyempre, ang gagawin mo is pataasin mo lang din yung personal point value mo. Be an agent. And be an agent, the same scenario happens. Magkano po marireceive natin? Approximately 2,400. It's the same scenario a while ago. Ano lang ginawa mo? Nag-agent ka lang. Alright? So, syempre, mag-agent na po yung mga hindi pa agent. Ayan. Next is 700. Gusto mo mas mataas? Pataasin mo rin yung personal point value mo and pataasin mo rin yung PV accumulation, yung group point value na na-accumulate under you. If you have a 700,000 point value in your personal and you accumulate 700,000 PV in your left and 700,000 PV in your right, you will receive a 5,000 pesos approximately. Sir, bakit approximate? Sabi ko nga po kanina, we are paying tax. And syempre po, depende sa palitan. Because Korean won to pesos, depende rin po yun. Alright? Next is the 60,000 pesos. Ito po yung ceiling income na po. Yung sinasabi ko nga po kanina, no? Atomy have ceiling income. If you are an exclusive distributor at 2.4 million in your personal point value or 300 points, then you accumulate a 50 million PV sa left and 50 million PV sa right, you earn 60,000 pesos. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Pwede pong daily yan. Yan, yung mga Imperial Master natin, yung mga, may Crown Master dito na earning that much. Ito nga, income ceiling. We will also earn that. Alright? Yes. Okay, let's proceed to Mastership bonus. This is 20% of entire sales PV will be distributed according to Mastership. Ayan. Ito pong Mastership na to is nangyayari po to sa 15 days sales challenge. Okay? Naintindihan po? 15 days sales challenge. So, this is our Mastership bonus. Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and the dream of all Atomians, the Imperial Master. Yan. So, syempre po, before I discuss that, the general cut-off po ng Mastership Commission is every 15 days. So, you can challenge every 15 days. From first cycle, 1 to 15 of the month, you will receive your payout in the 22nd of the of the same month. Then the second cycle is from 16 until the end of the month, and you will receive your payout on the 7th of the following month. Okay. How to be a sales master? Kanina, yung classification of membership, sabi ko, tandaan nyo. If you want to be a sales master, you need to have a 700,000 PV in your personal point value or be an special agent first. Then, you accumulate 2.5 million PV in your left and 2.5 million PV in your left. Then, within 15 days, what do you get? You are a sales master, then you will receive a estimated of 40,000 commission sa general commission and mastership bonus. And you will receive a product worth 12,000 pesos. The Himuhim, the Fame, and Evening Care Set. Yan, ganyan po kaganda yan. 15 days challenge, you earn that much. 12,000 worth of products and 40,000 in just 15 days challenge. Every 15 days, be a sales master. Then I will tell you, you will be an auto sales. Yan. Next. Okay. Diamond Master. Okay. Yung classification of membership again. To be a Diamond Master, kailangan dealer ka. Or you have a 1.5 million PV sa personal point value mo. Then, what you will do? Ito yung gusto ko dito sa Atom eh. Tulungan. So, ibig sabihin, you need to help your member to be promoted for you to be promoted. So, ano pong ginawa ni Diamond? Pre-promote niya po yung 2 sales master sa left niya at 2 sales master sa right niya. And within 15 days challenge, nag-earn po ng, syempre po, ang na-receive niya po ay 80,000 within 15 days. General commission and mastership bonus. And a brand new laptop na worth 40,000 pesos po yan. And 12,000 worth of products, a Himuhim, and the Fame and Evening Care Set po yan. 15 days challenge lang po yan. So, ganun po, no? Ang laki po ng kita talaga dito kay Atomy. Ayan. Next. Ayan. Makikita nyo po yung mga mapopromote po mamaya na aakit po dito sa stage. How to be a Sharon Rose Master. Ito nga po, tulungan system. Dito po, yung classification of membership, you need to be an exclusive distributor o a 2.4 million personal point value. Ano lang po kailangan nyong gawin? The same scenario, i-promote nyo lang po uli yung nasa ilalim nyo. 2 diamond sa left, 2 diamond sa right, and within 15 days, you will receive an 80,000 pesos cash and 2 travel tickets to Jeju Island po yan. Sinong gusto po pumunta ng Jeju Island? Yan, syempre yung mga Diamond Master, let's go. Sabay-sabay po tayong pupunta sa Jeju Island. Yan. Next, Star Master. Ayan, excited ako at may mapopromote po tayong Star Master ngayong gabi. Ngayong hapon. Yan. Star Master, para maging Star Master ka, you need to promote 2 Sharon Rose Master in your left and 2 Sharon Rose Master in your right. And pagka nag-successful ang challenge within 15 days, you will receive a 400,000 pesos. Makikita po natin yan mamaya. And if 4 travel tickets to Guam po yan. Yan. Makikita po natin yan mamaya na marireceive po ng ating mapopromote na Star Master. Okay. Next, how to be a Royal Master. You need to be you will promote 2 Star Master in your left and 2 Star Master in your right. Then, if you will successful the challenge, you will receive a 2 million pesos cash and a 4 travel tickets incentive to Europe po yan, 10 nights and 11 days. And a debit card na 80,000 pesos per month po yan na kailangan mong gastusin kasi pag hindi mo ginastos yan, hindi po papalitan ni Atomy. And a car rental fee, yan. Yan po ang marireceive ng ating Royal Master. Yan po yung mga na-receive ng mga Royal Masters po natin. Next is Crown Master. Swerte po tayo at may Crown Master dito. Ito po ang na-receive ng Crown Master when prinomote niya po ang 2 Royal Master sa left, 2 Royal Master sa right, and she became a Crown Master within 15 days challenge. She received a 12 million pesos. Grabe, may Crown Master po tayo niyan. And a 4 travel tickets. Kaya dito no, sa Atomy, kailangan pagka nagja-challenge ka, ready lagi ang passport mo kasi travel ka ng travel. So, trip to Europe po uli yan. And you will receive a luxury car worth 2.5 million pesos po yung luxury car na yan. And yung debit card from 80,000 naging 200,000 na po yung debit card na kailangan ubusin nyo yan monthly pagka nag-auto crown ka na. Ayan. So next, ayan, the dream of all Atomians, Imperial Master. Okay? To be an Imperial Master, kailangan mag-promote ka lang ng 2 Crown Master sa left, 2 Crown Master sa right, and within 15 days challenge, you will receive a 40 million cash. Yan po yung nakikita natin na naka-forklift. Pinapalakpakan po yan. And again, another 4 travel tickets to Europe po uli yan. And another luxury car again, worth 3.1 million. Siyempre, yung luxury car mo, with driver na po yan. Napapasahurin po ni Atomy ng 80,000 monthly. And Atomy will give you also an office with secretary. Napapasahurin din po yung secretary ng 60,000 pesos a month ni Atomy. Yan po. And a 400,000 debit card from 200 to 400,000. Wow. Sir, sana ako na lang po yung driver and secretary. Don't dream that. Okay? Be an Imperial Master at kumuha ka ng iba na magdadrive at magiging secretary mo. Yan. Okay? Yes. Who wants to be Imperial? Siyempre, lahat tayo. Yan. So, this slide shows the cash promotional total. 54,480,000 promotional bonus only. Ano pong pinapakita rito? It means, ito po yung marireceive mo. Tinotal na po ni Atomy. Ayan po, tinotal na po. If you will make Imperial Master in just 10 years time, you will receive that. You will receive that much. If you are an employee and you work for 35 years, I doubt you will receive that much. Okay? Yan po ang ino-offer ni Atomy. Ito po ang totoong retirement. 54,480,000. Hindi po biro yan. Nasa sayo yan. Andyan na yung total. Tignan mo kung kailan ka magiging imperial. 10 years time, 15 years time, 20 years time. It's up to you. So you decide now. Okay? Ito po, meron din po tayong Atomy Success Club. We have the Auto Sales Master Club, the Leaders Club, the Royal Leaders Club, and the Crown Leaders Club. So ito po yung mga nakikita nyong pin sa mga leaders po natin na nandito sa harap. Habang papalaki po yung pin na yan, ibig sabihin po, papalaki din po yung kita po nila. Yan. Sino pong gusto magkaroon ng Atomy Success Club o maging member ng Atomy Success Club? Yan, syempre lahat po tayo. To be an auto sales master, kailangan maging sales master ka 12 times in just 1 year. Every 15 days po, pwede mong gawin yan. And to join the Leaders Club, kailangan ang annual income mo is 4 million. So pagka nandyan ka sa Leaders Club, 4 million na po ang kinikita nyo annually. Pagka naman po nasa Royal Leaders Club, 8 million na po annual income yan. And dun po sa Crown Leaders Club, ay 16 million na po. Siyempre gusto po natin mapabilang dyan. So, work hard in Atomy, do Atomy consistently. And eto po, for us to be successful, eto po yung educational system that leads to success. Eto po, we have the regional seminar, the webinar, the Success Academy. I am a product po of a Success Academy. Pina-attend lang po ako, pinilit lang po ako. Yan. Ako po ay product ng isang Success Academy and we should attend to one-day seminar. Okay. Okay. Going back to my question earlier. Are you ready? Are you ready? You should be, because Atomy is very ready to give you all that bonuses. Ano lang ang hinihintay? Ikaw lang ang hinihintay. So work Atomy now. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.